how to switch to a professional account in your Instagram. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can switch to a professional account in your Instagram. So the steps are very simple. The first thing that you will need to do is simply tap onto your profile icon over the bottom right, and once you will do, you will be landed onto this particular profile page of your Instagram account. Now from here, simply click onto this edit profile option, and once you'll do this, simply scroll down, and just below the music you will see switch to professional account. So simply click onto this option, and then from here you can click onto this next button, and then you can simply choose any categories that best describes you. So once you are done with this, you can click onto this switch to professional account option, and just wait for this particular process to finish. And once this process finishes, you will see this option that says what type of professional are you. So if you're a business account, choose business, or if you are a creator, you can choose creator, and then click onto this next option. So wait for this process to happen, and then you can also sign up for resources and offers to help grow your brand if you want. So click onto this next button again, and then it will give you some steps to set up your professional accounts, like completing your profile, getting inspired, trying the meta verifications, growing your audience, etc. So if you want, you can do these steps as well, or if you don't want to do them, you can simply click onto this cross button, and now you can see that your account is a professional account, and you can also access the professional dashboard right from here. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.